Hello friends, I am Dr. Kirti Kanodia and welcome to Toshni Institute. Today we'll be meditating on awakening compassion and peace. This meditation is very important to get connected within you and to get connected to the world, because right now the love and compassion has to be spread as much as possible into this world. Mother Earth needs it, people needs it. So there's a small dedication towards connecting within yourself and to connect with the people outside you so that you can make the world a better place to live. So welcome to the meditation, all dear souls. This moment is for healing and this is your space, this is your connection. Sit or lie down, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. With each and every breath you are taking right now, feel your heartbeat. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and feel that you're alive. You are here and your heart matters. So feel your heartbeat. Feel the love. Feel the togetherness that you hold in your heart. Heart is a place where you can feel, you can connect, you can know the truth, you can get aware of the reality. And this is the place where you can forgive and spread the love of happiness and joy inside and outside you. With each and every breath you're taking now, keep going deeper and deeper into the truth of your heart energy, truth of the light within you. Start going and feel the love and light, feel the life within you, in your heart energy, within your chest. Get aware of the glowing ember of compassion. Feel the light, feel the love, feel the compassion. With each and every breath you're taking now, allow this love, allow this compassion to spread in your body. Allow your body to get filled with this energy of love and compassion. Your each and every organ, each and every part of you, your soul, your mind is being filled with this light and compassion. The energy of love, the energy of compassion. Allow your aura to feel this. Allow this to flow from inside to outside you. Allow the room to get filled with this light of love and compassion. Allow it to spread. People in the house, your neighbors, your communities, your colonies, your state, countries, across the borders, into the earth, into the universe, into the 5 elements, inside and outside you. Allow this light of love and compassion to get filled into all the elements of this universe. Allow this to get connected with the 5 elements within you. Further, being connected with the 5 elements into this universe, into this world. Feel it, the divine connect. Feel the Mother Earth. Feel the air. Feel the fire. Feel the water. Every living being onto the earth. Each and everything that is seen, not seen, known, unknown. Feel this light of compassion and love. Feel this consciousness being connected. You are the consciousness into this world, into this universe, and the universal consciousness is within you. You are present into all the 5 elements outside you, and these 5 elements are within you. It's like a mirror. You are mirroring the universe, and universe is mirroring you. Keep feeling it. Allow this energy, allow this light to expand more and more, more and more. Allow it to radiate. Allow it to glow. Allow yourself to become, I am the universe, and the universe is within me. Feel this consciousness, feel this connect, and feel this togetherness. Feel this connect reaching to each and every heart, each and every soul. Whether you know them, whether you don't know them, but Mother Earth needs this energy of love, needs the energy of peace, and needs the energy of togetherness. Let's clean the universe. Let's clean the world. Let's clean the Mother Earth. Let's clean water, fire, and air from the energy of grudges, from the energy of hatred, from the energy of anger. Just clean it out. See it vanishing from inside and outside you. Release the energy of hatred. Release the energy of anger. Release the energy of grudges. It's over. It ends now. Let it go. Let it vanish. Allow the energy of love and compassion. Allow the consciousness to get connected with the energy of togetherness, with the energy of care, with the energy of respect. Allow your consciousness to listen to the awareness of yourself, to the awareness of the universe. Hear yourself, hear the universe, the words that are saying, I choose to live with compassion. I choose peace inside and outside me into all the beings. There is a space in my heart for everyone, and I am there in everyone's heart. I am the part of the healing that this world needs. I allow Mother Earth to feel this love and compassion. I allow the universe to feel this love and compassion. And I choose to fill the energy of love and compassion into the air, in the water, in the fire, in the consciousness of each and every being. Feel each and every human being, each and every being is been connected with each other with the language of love and compassion into each and everyone's heart, each and everyone's consciousness. Feel this light, this consciousness spreading to each and every being onto this universe, in this earth. There is no space for fears, there is no space for hatred. Let it go. This is the end of the fear and the beginning of the love and the compassion, the trust and togetherness. Feel it as much as possible. Each and every being onto the earth is made of all these 5 elements, and each of them is connected with the same energy. So we are one. We are one breath, one planet, and one consciousness. Keep feeling it as much as possible. Feel this oneness. Feel this love. Feel this compassion. And allow the consciousness to get connected with the energy of this love and compassion. Keep feeling it. Keep feeling it in your breath, in your consciousness, deep into your own self, and allow it to mirror into this earth, in this universe, the energy of love and compassion, energy of one consciousness. Feel the energy of unity and peace each and everywhere. Allow this light to glow. Allow this light to glow so much that there is no place for darkness, there is no place for any other emotions that is not syncing with the energy of love and compassion. Feel it. Allow this to become your base personality, your foundation, and the same with each and every one around you, each and every being onto this earth, into this universe. Keep feeling it, and when you feel right with each and every breath you're taking now, bring back your awareness into the room. Take your time, and when you feel right, only then open your eyes. See you again in another video. Be happy, be safe, and take care.